Disgraced former Winnipeg police officer Elston Bostock was back in court today, this time for his sentencing hearing after pleading guilty to trafficking drugs on the job and a number of other offenses. CTV's Joseph Bernacki sat in court today and joins us now live with what unfolded. So, Joseph, what happened at today's hearing?
Merrily, both Crown and defense lawyers told the court today there simply hasn't been an officer of Bostock's longevity commit this many crimes during his tenure on the force. Bostock looked subdued today in court and sat by himself. The day started with hours of submissions from the Crown citing more evidence of Bostock's crimes. In court today, Provincial Crown Attorney Ari Milo spoke at length detailing Bostock's corrupt actions while on the force. In the Crown's sentencing materials, court heard the officer was found stealing drugs from a crime scene in October 2022. In October 2024, weeks before he was kicked off the force, the Winnipeg Police Service conducted 2 integrity tests on Bostock as they became suspicious of the officer's activities. The Crown recommended a maximum sentence of 6 years plus an additional year for the drug trafficking. Milo says, in part, Elston Bostock's actions have caused reputational damage to the WPS on a scale rarely, if ever, seen in the history of the service. Court also heard victim impact statements from family members associated with Bostock's charge of indignity to human remains. Milo reads, "Thinking about what happens makes my heart hurt more. Because of this, I don't trust the police anymore. My mom deserved better." Federal Crown Attorney Jana Hyman said Bostock's actions strike at the integrity of policing. Meantime, Bostock's lawyer said the 22-year veteran on the force spent the last several years on the job suffering from depression and heavy use of marijuana and alcohol. They asked Justice Champagne to consider Bostock's many years of service before his life started to spiral. Bostock's lawyer Richard Wolson told the court, "There were many years of good service. There were many years where Elston performed well as a police officer." After the defense spoke, court then heard back from Bostock himself, who gave an impassioned statement acknowledging the family in connection with the indignity to human remains charge, apologizing to them, his own family, and members on the force. "I'm truly sorry for tarnishing the reputation of the Winnipeg Police Service, the members who risk their lives while protecting the citizens with honor and integrity." The defense is asking for a 2-year sentence with a consecutive sentence attached for his other convictions. The Crown is asking for a 7-year joint sentence.
So, Joseph, what's next then for Bostock?
Well, Merrily, Justice Champagne has reserved his sentencing decision until Friday, January 23rd.
All right, thanks for this, Joseph.